Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy half up half down hairstyle. To start, you're going to want to curl the hair. Take 1 to 2 inch sections, and I've just wrapped these around my GHD curling tong. Next, section out the front of the hair, so we're going to go from the top of the head to just behind the ear and clip this out of the way for later, and do this on both sides of the head. To add a little bit of volume at the crown, I'm going to back comb, so start by taking very thin slices of hair, holding them straight up, keeping a nice strong tension, and then just add an inch or two of back comb into the root area. Work your way down the back of the head using thin sections until you reach the back of the crown. Flip those back comb sections back over and just use your tail to smooth out any areas that are looking a bit messy. Gather all of that back combed hair into your hand and then just use the very tip of your comb to smooth out those very top layers, and then all we're going to do is twist this 1 or 2 times, hold it against the head, and then just slip a bobby pin through that twist so you can't see it. Pinch and pull at random sections across the crown area and just secure with a little bit of flexible hold hairspray. Release one of those side sections, and I've left a few face framing layers out. Use a brush to smooth that section over, and then all we're going to do is hold it and then sort of clip it towards the middle at the back whilst we work on the other side. So we're just taking a few face framing layers and then clipping it towards the back. Now take hold of both of those side sections, pull them to the middle at the back, and all we're going to do is a simple knot. So cross it over and pull it through like you would a shoelace. And then just to make sure it stays secure, pop a bobby pin through the centre of that first knot. Now taking those tail ends, we're going to do exactly the same. So do one more knot. As you pull it through, flip it up and again secure with a couple of bobby pins. Add some texture spray and then very carefully pinch and pull at every loop of that knot to make it nice and voluminous, and secure in place with hairspray. And then all I've done is added a little bit of hairspray and pinched and pull at the sections on the side so they match the back of the hair. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.